And yesterday we stopped at mitosis, metaphase. Now it is the anaphase of mitosis. Okay, right? So what about next phase? Third one, anaphase. Please, please mute. Please mute, please. Okay, so first diagram, next description here. Please mute, please don't disturb me and others too. So at the end of metaphase, we observed formation of spindle apparatus and alignment of chromosomes at the equator. So chromatid 1, 2, and like that, continue it. So here we stop. Okay. So now first event is a backward contraction of microtubules towards poles. So contraction of microtubules in opposite direction. During mitosis, what about the movement of microtubules towards equator? Extended. Two moment. Now it is a fro moment. Back. Going back. So we can write first event in anaphase is contraction of microtubules or spindle fibers. Microtubules, contraction of microtubules towards opposite poles, moving in opposite direction, contracted in opposite direction. So contraction of microtubules towards opposite poles or direction. So that is the first event. Second one, because of a movement or contraction of microtubules or decondensation of microtubules, they can exert contraction of microtubules. Now it exert means able to create. Here I'm using exert, exert, exert. Now it is able to exert. Exert means creation. Exerting pressure on centromere of so-called one. And one more thing here. What about ends of chromatids towards poles? Towards poles. The ends are towards poles. Remember that one. Okay, so exerting pressure on centromere. Once pressure is exerted on centromere, what about the fate of centromere? Now centromere, because of pressure, the pressure is like this, pulling pressure, pulling. Okay, so because of pulling, pressure, what about the centromere? Now centromere divides into daughter centromeres. So centromere is cleaved into two parts. So one centromere is divided into daughter centromeres. What about chromosome? Please mute. Please mute. One centromere is divided. Please mute. Once centromere is divided Now the product is a formation of daughter chromosomes. Please mute. Please mute. Okay, right? So centromere divides into daughter centromeres. Because of a division of centromere, now daughter chromosomes are produced. Are produced means chromosome number is doubled. Okay, so chromosome number is doubled. Please. Okay. Chromosome number is doubled. Right? So now this is at a metaphase. Now at the end of anaphase, mother cell contracted microtubules. Microtubule contracted. Microtubule 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so centromere. How many centromeres? 4 centromeres. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. How many centromeres? 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertical division of centromere. Now, how many centromeres? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so number of chromosomes doubled or not? Centromere doubled. And what about the chromatids? Chromatid. Wait. So chromatid. One chromatid only. Chromatid. Both the daughter chromatids separate from each other. Okay, so this is chromosome 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2n chromosome number 4. Here 2n chromosome number 4. Chromosome number doubled or not? Okay, and very important thing here, centromere is ahead, facing the pole or not? Which one is facing the pole? Centromere. So you can write a fifth statement. Centromeres are ahead. Ahead means going ahead. Okay, ahead followed by chromatids. Simplest statement. Centromeres towards pole, facing the pole. See, centromere facing the pole or not? And what about chromatids? Now chromatids towards equator. Equator not? Facing towards equator. Okay, so that is about Yana phase. Any objection regarding this one? Okay, completed. Any objection? Copy this one. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to erase the board. Okay, right. Okay, so now telophase. Now telophase. Okay. Okay, so what about a telophase? First, I will give you a diagram here. Centromere, 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 centromere. Chromatid, 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 chromatid. Chromosome 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many chromosomes here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now reorganization of a nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope. Nucleolus. Okay, formation of nuclear envelope. So what happened here? Now nucleus produced daughter nucleus 1, daughter nucleus 2. For nucleus, how many chromosomes? 2n chromosome number is 4. Here also 4 chromosomes. Okay. Now what about the description for this one? First one. Because of complete contraction of complete contraction of microtubules, or simply daughter chromosomes are daughter chromosomes reach poles. Daughter chromosomes reach poles. Reach pole or not? Next, decondensation of chromosome to chromatin. Chromosome to chromatin. Next, reorganization or reformation of nuclear envelope. And nucleolus. So once nuclear envelope is formed, definitely formation of nucleogenesis, formation of daughter nuclei. Nucleogenesis. What is nucleogenesis? Nucleogenesis, formation of daughter nuclei. Formation of daughter nuclei. Okay, right? So what is a second statement? Condensation of chromosome into chromatin. So this is the chromosome now with one double-stranded DNA molecule here. So now it is decondensed into chromatin. That is a decondensation. So chromosome decondensed to chromatin. Okay, is it clear? So that is about telophase. At the end of telophase, what about the number of daughter nuclei? 2 nuclei. So 2n chromosome number 4 2n chromosome number 4.
Now
Hello. Hello. Please mute. Please mute. Okay. Copy this one. Take it. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now I am erasing the board. Okay. So please చెవులు పగిలిపోతున్నాయి బాబు నాకు because of Bluetooth. Okay, so karyokinesis completed. Now last one, cytokinesis, mitosis and cytokinesis. Next one is a cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. So what is the cytokinesis? Division of cytoplasm and division of cell into two daughter cells. So last final step is after karyokinesis. After karyokinesis, what about the total number of nuclei present there? 2 nuclei.
2.
Okay, so now sharing of cytoplasm by future daughter cells. So what about the cytokinesis? So cytokinesis is nothing but division of cytoplasm, and ultimately the cell is divided into two daughter cells. So what about cytokinesis methods? Two methods are present. One is cell plate method. Cell plate method in plants. Cell plate method of cytokinesis in plants. What is the cell plate method? For example, this is the cell at the end of telophase and the nucleus with the 2n chromosome number 4, 2n chromosome number 4. Okay, so that was the cell at the end of telophase. Now microtubules of spindle apparatus. Microtubules of spindle apparatus. This one is coming from spindle apparatus, remnants of spindle apparatus. So the purpose of spindle apparatus completed. Purpose, pulling of chromosomes towards opposite pole completed. So now remnants of a spindle apparatus gathered at the equator, and that results in the formation of a barrel-shaped structure. This barrel-shaped structure is called as a phragmoplast. Phragmoplast is not given in your textbook, but I'm explaining. Okay, phragmoplast. What is a phragmoplast? I will give you a description later. Just the first diagram, phragmoplast, barrel-shaped structure. Okay, so now Golgi complex, secreting some materials, particularly calcium and magnesium pectates. Here I'm taking calcium salt, calcium pectates. Okay, so now it is becoming solid one, initially tubular, convert into solid one. Now it is called as phragmoplast is called as a cell plate. Okay, right? Now extension of that cell plate towards periphery. Extension.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Golgi complex was disappeared in the prophase only, no?
Yeah, reappeared at the end of during anaphase, telophase reappears, reorganized, compulsory reorganized. Check the stage, reorganized. All cellular cells are reorganized and equally distributed between both the cells. Okay, calcium pectate. Now middle lamellum is produced. Now it is called as a cell plate developed into middle lamellum. So now go back to cell structure. Middle lamellum, cell wall, first formed one, outermost layer, middle lamellum produced. Now, what about the growth of a cell plate towards periphery or not? Towards outside, centrifugal. Okay, so whereby so-called cytoplasm is cleaved into two daughter cells, middle lamellum, and after that formation of primary wall also. Primary wall. This is the primary wall. I will give you description here. Okay, so what about the first statement? Microtubules of spindle apparatus, SK, Golgi complex. GC is Golgi complex. Golgi complex. GC is Golgi complex. Okay, microtubules of a spindle apparatus gather at the equator, and that results in the formation of a barrel-shaped structure. Barrel means a tube. Barrel-shaped structure that is called as a phragmoplast. Second one, calcium pectate plus other chemicals. Other chemicals are deposited in the barrel-shaped phragmoplast, and now it is called as a phragmoplast is called as a that results in the formation of after chemical modification. Now it is called as phragmoplast, convert into cell plate. PP is phragmoplast, and the fourth one cell plate. Cell plate grows centrifugally towards mother cell wall and results in the formation of middle lamellum. So now two daughter cells. Finally, daughter cells. How many? Two cells are produced. Thus, mitotic cycle is completed. Okay, so that is about cell plate method in the case of plants. Any objection? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy it. take down. Right, now I am erasing the board. First method completed. Cell plate method in the case of plants. Here growth and development of cell plate is very, very important. That is towards outside, centrifugal growth. Centrifugal, away from the center, towards periphery. Okay. Now second method. Second method. Constriction method. Constriction method in animals. So what is constriction method? For example, this is the cell at the end of a telophase. Nucleus 1, nucleus 2, 2n chromosome number 4. For example only, number of chromosomes. So what is that? Constriction. Now, invagination. Invagination means folding. Invagination of plasma membrane or cell membrane. Invagination of plasma membrane. What is invagination? Intracytoplasmic folding. Invagination. Intracytoplasmic folding. Okay, so so-called plasma membrane is folded towards center. So after folding, see nucleus, nucleus. So this is invagination. Okay, so that is called as constriction, nokku, right? And further deepening of constriction. Further deepening of constriction. So what about the direction of constriction? That is a centripetal. Centripetal. Yes. Come inside. Centripetal. Okay, so next, dissolution of ends. Wait. Okay, so next step, ends are dissolved. Dissolution of ends. So nucleus, nucleus. 2n chromosome number 4, 2n chromosome number 4. How many daughter cells? 2 daughter cells are produced. So this is called as a constriction method. Okay, right? Take down, copy it. So this one is a plasma membrane, cell membrane. Copy it, complete it. Completed. Okay, now I'm erasing it. Now, so for example, this is a mitocyte in which we studied mitosis. 2n chromosome number is 4. Okay, and content of DNA. Content of DNA. 2C or not? 2C. 2C for example. And genotype, genetic material. Genotype, genetic material, for example, AA type of genetic material, for example only. Okay, so what happened here? Divided into 2 daughter cells. Daughter cell 1, second daughter cell. So 2n chromosome number 4, 2n chromosome number 4. Content of DNA, 2C content of DNA. Here 2C content of DNA. And the type of genotype, genotype, for example only AA, genotype AA. So daughter cells are similar to mother cell regarding chromosome number and genotype also. So that's why this division is called as a homotypic, similar homotypic type of division or equational division, equational. So what about the number of chromosomes here? 4. Here 4, equal or not? Okay, right? And one more thing, 2n chromosome number is 4 converted to 8 chromosomes. 8 divided by 2. Per cell how many? 2n chromosome number 4. So what about the mother cell chromosome number 4? 4 doubled or not? Change into 8. 8 divided by how many cells? 2 daughter cells. Got this one? Okay, again I will explain you. Cool, don't worry. Mother cell with 2n chromosome number 4 converted to 4n, how many? 8 chromosomes. Chromosomes. So 4n divided by 2n. Okay. How many cells possible? 2 cells. 2 cells. Wait. Yeah, 2 cells. 2 cells. Okay, so 2n. Wait. Better you do like this. 4n divided by 2 cells. 2n 4. 2n 4 means 8 divided by 4 you can take. 4 chromosomes. Hello? Next, one more thing. 2C changed into 4C divided by 2 daughter cells. Per daughter cell 2C. Content of DNA. This is content of DNA. DNA content. This is very, very important for NEET examination. Is it clear? Okay, dear students, is it clear? Any objection? Take down. Copy. Enough? Today enough? Now I am going to wind up the class. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, bye. See you. Please take down this one.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Take care. Tata.
Hey.